Welcome to healthreform.gov, and thank you for watching our weekly update. Now, my father was a congressman from Ohio when Medicare was passed in 1965. He was a strong supporter of the bill. He was there at the ceremony when President Johnson signed the legislation. And today, he's one of the 45 million American seniors who get great care under the program he voted for 44 years ago. This year, Medicare will pay out almost $500 billion to cover doctor's appointments, medicines, and treatments for our seniors. But a small percentage of those dollars will be diverted by crooks who scam Medicare into making payments for services that are unnecessary or never happened in the first place. Medicare fraud is simply unacceptable, and the Obama administration is committed to cracking down on people who steal from our seniors. On Wednesday, officials from the Department of Justice and I announced the largest fraud settlement with a drug company in American history. Pfizer will pay more than $2.3 billion to settle charges that they marketed drugs for unapproved uses and provided kickbacks to doctors, leading to hundreds of millions of dollars in unwarranted Medicare claims. About $1 billion of that settlement will go directly to bolstering the finances of Medicare and other government health insurance programs, including Medicaid for the states. But this administration isn't just interested in prosecuting Medicare crooks. We also want to catch them before they strike. That's why this historic settlement also includes the most comprehensive corporate integrity agreement ever signed by a drug company, a deal that will finally make Pfizer responsible for monitoring its own activities. Still, even if we eliminated all Medicare fraud tomorrow, our healthcare system would still face huge financial challenges. That's one of the reasons why President Obama has committed to enacting meaningful health insurance reform this year. Now, there have been a lot of myths spread about reform. So if you want to get the facts about what reform will do and what it won't, I encourage you to tune in Wednesday night for President Obama's primetime speech to Congress, or come to this site afterward to watch it on the web. When Medicare passed 44 years ago, it was one of the greatest steps forward our country has ever taken. We should do everything we can to protect it. Thank you for visiting healthreform.gov, and be sure to check back for our latest updates.